friends and family, welcome to the unboxing and first look review. Today, I have this big, massive box with me, and I'm gonna see what's inside of it. Come with me, I'll take you through this journey.
The locomotive I'm unboxing today is based off the Harrogate Gas Works 060 saddle tank engine built by the Peckett Sons in 1944 to work at the gasworks in Harrogate. I don't have the Stanley knife with me, I'm using the pair of scissors to open it. Now, what do I get in the box, may I ask? What's this, the kitchen spray? I'm going to find that out in a minute. My steam locos never come with a charger before. I wonder what that could be. I never seen this radio controlled system before. This is Radio Link T8FB transmitter. Here comes the main attraction. The Harrogate Locomotive box. Now is the time to get everything out of the way before I get Harrogate out of the box. Again, I'm using the pair of scissors to open the locomotive box to get Harrogate and the other accessories out. Here are the instructions to tell you how to operate it, and it comes with a warranty. Accessory bag with syringe, steam oil and spare washers, and a dust cloth. Now the locomotive, covered in bubble wrap. Now something's missing. Last but not least, the tank cover. It also hides the water top-up system.
That's better. It adds a bit of character to it.
Now let's see how it runs on the track for the first time. Moving it backwards and forwards to warm the cylinders up. Well, my track isn't perfect. It shows how well this loco can run, straight out of the box. I hope you enjoyed this adventure of unboxing and first look review. Make sure you share this with your friends. And remember, stay safe with live steam engines, such as this one. Alright, this is it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day. Over and out.